Hi guys, this is my very first YouTube video, and in this video I will be showing you a complete list of the PC build components I will be using to build my very first PC. For the processor, I will be using the Intel Core i5-9400F. For the graphics card, I will be using an MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 with 6GB of GDDR6. For the motherboard, I will be using the Asus ROG Strix Z390i, which is a mini ITX gaming motherboard. For RAM, I will be using 16GB of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro memory. For storage, I will be using the Samsung 970 EVO Plus series, which is an M.2 NVMe internal SSD with 500GB of storage. For the power supply, I will be using the EVGA Supernova 550G3 with a rating of 80 plus gold. For my case fans, I will be using 4 Noctua NF A12x25 PWM premium quiet fans. For my CPU cooler, I will be using the Noctua NH212A. And last but not least, for my case, I will be using the NZXT H200i, which is a mini ITX PC gaming case. So yeah, that's a complete list of the PC build components I'll use to build my own PC. So thanks for watching, and bye.